guys, thanks for coming. Today I want to talk about what is your favorite part of pottery.
This one's going to be a little bit bigger.
So I'm going to be making another bottle. I've made a smaller one in a previous video, but this one's going to be larger with a much taller neck.
First thing I'm doing is centering this clay. I don't want to spend all day doing this. This is not my favorite part of throwing a pot. This is a necessary part of throwing a pot.
I'm just going to go ahead and speed things up so we can get to the good part.
So, quite often, in conversation with students, with patrons, with family, friends, I'm asked, what is my favorite part about making clay? Let me show you. My favorite part about making clay happens almost right at the beginning. All right? This right here is my favorite part about making clay. First pull is my favorite part. At this point, it's got all the potential. It can become almost whatever it wants to be. All I have to do is finish lifting, thinning out the walls, and shaping it. So it's got so much potential at this point. It's one of my favorite spots. The second pull is my second favorite spot because it just grows so much more. After that, it seems like, well, you know, just a walk in the park now. Just finishing throwing the wall, making it thinner. Try to get this area down here. This is always where it's going to be thick. Try to get it a little thin. Start to give it a little shape. Okay, there we go.
Hey, if you make pottery or like pottery, what's your favorite part? What's your favorite thing? Leave it in the comments. Let's see what everyone has to say.
Okay. At this point, I'm going to scrape off some of the slip. I like these little metal ribs. They're flexible. I can put that on there.
So if you're new to making a bottle shape, then you should know that scraping the exterior actually strengthens the structure so that it doesn't collapse as easy. This is an important step. So when you start to throw a bottle and you start to bring that clay inward, 3 different things can happen, and usually at least 2 of them do. The first thing that almost always happens is that the clay gets thicker, and it requires you to thin that out some more as you're bringing it in. The second thing that can happen is that one side will shoot up higher than the other side. The third thing that can happen is the lip edge, the top part, will waffle and start to cause some problems. This requires us to trim off the top. final stage of finishing the pot is to trim off the excess clay on the very bottom. After that, you should be done.